Did you have fun today in the workshop?
Yes!
My friend over here, what was your favourite part of the workshop today?
The beatboxing.
The beatboxing, nice. My friend over here.
The part when we do the beatbox.
Yeah, you liked the part when you did. Yeah.
Yeah, it's time for a beatbox battle. So, you guys know the drill. Here we go. Let me hear some noise for Nate. Let me hear some noise. 3, 2, 1.
Beatbox!
Oh, that was cool. Give it up for Nate.
Let me hear some noise. 3, 2, 1.
Beatbox!
That's great. Give it up for Laura.
Here we go. Let me hear some noise for Nate. 3, 2, 1.
Beatbox!
What's that? Yes, you guys have got some cool sounds going on. I love that. Give it up for Nate.
3, 2, 1.
Beatbox!
Go, Jesse. Yes.
Yes. Give it up for Jensen one time.
All right, my friend over here. Did you like the beatboxing? Did you think it sounded cool?
Yes.
Nice. Do you think it made you want to go home and learn some more? Nice.
Who's ready to hear some music?
Me!
You like to?
Move it!
Yeah.
Oh, this one, yeah.
My friend here on the left. Did you have fun today in
Yes.
the workshop? Oh, nice.
Doing beatbox patterns.
Beatbox patterns, nice. Now, when I point at your group, your job is to make that sound. That's good. That's awesome. Give yourself a huge clap. That's fantastic.
Thank you, Lena. Thank you, Lena. Thank you, Lena. Thank you, Lena. Can everyone say thank you, Lena?
Thank you, Lena.
Thank you, Lena.
Thank you, Lena.
What was your favourite advanced sound? Did you like the DJ scratch or the throat bass?
Right back.
You liked the throat bass. Nice.
So very relaxed, but as you make that sound, I want you to be able to just not feel with your hands, but feel like you can feel in the back of your neck. Your vocal folds get closer together. Ah. Can you hear the change in my voice as they get closer? Ah. Have a practice. Ah. Very relaxed. Ah. This machine records my voice, okay? And it gets that recording and it plays it over and over again, kind of like this. 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 Over and over again, kind of like. Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah!
So we're gonna make a beat together. Perfect. Microphone for rest. Well done. 1, 3. Stay still. Good. Nice. All right. That's good. Everyone, help them out together. Ready? Here we go.
1, 3, 7.